Actor Abhishek Bachchan has approached the Delhi High Court seeking protection of his personality rights. Following in the footsteps of his wife, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, Abhishek has filed a plea to prevent unauthorized use of his name, image, voice, photographs, and performances by websites, YouTube channels, and other online platforms for personal or commercial gains. Abhishek expressed concern over the misuse of his identity, which he says could harm his reputation and privacy. He has urged the court to take action against such unauthorized activities. During the hearing, Justice Karya addressed the issue, stating, "We can ask Google to take down. You have to give URL specific to each other. If you can identify the platform, it can be easily done. YouTube, Amazon, Flipkart is mentioned in the petition. This order cannot be granted. It has to be divided defendant-wise. We cannot pass an order this way." This indicates the court's demand for a more detailed approach. Instead of a blanket order, Abhishek is required to specify the exact URLs or platforms where the misuse has occurred. This will allow the court to handle each defendant's case separately and more efficiently. Abhishek's lawyer, Praveen Anand, assured the court that the necessary information would be provided later. He said, "Please pass over, we will divide as per defendant." The court then passed the matter over, with the next hearing scheduled soon. On the professional front, Abhishek Bachchan was last seen in the film Kaladhar Lapta, which had a direct-to-OTT release on ZEE5. Prior to that, he starred in Houseful 5 alongside Akshay Kumar and Ritesh Deshmukh. The comedy, directed by Tarun Mansukhani, was released in theaters on 6 June 2025 with two versions, version A and version B. Meanwhile, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan is engaged in a similar legal battle. She filed a plea against a website called aishwaryavold.com and other infringers. According to her senior advocate, Sandeep Sethi, the website falsely claims to be her only authorized and official website. It has published her personal details and unauthorized photographs and has been selling merchandise such as t-shirts priced up to 3,100 rupees and mugs featuring her image. Sethi described this misuse as derogatory, defamatory, and a direct assault on Aishwarya's dignity and urged the court to intervene. Both Abhishek and Aishwarya are actively working to protect their identities and personal rights from misuse on the internet.